Hey guys, it's Bree. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you and putting in these extensions that I got from Amazon. I got it from the same company that I ordered my tape-in extensions from, but these are clip-ins. I figured I would try clip-ins. I've never tried clip-ins before. I have done tape-ins twice and forgot the first time how much I hated tape-ins, and then the second time remembered that I didn't really like them. They're just too high maintenance for me. I love the idea of clip-ins because you just clip them in your hair when you want long hair, and then you take them out at the end of the night. You can still wash your hair normally. You can still style your hair normally. If you don't want long hair, you just take it out. It's super nice. They're really easy to install. So I'm super excited. I actually picked ones that match my hair pretty dang close. I did end up toning my hair with the Wella T18, I believe, so that they matched really good. I got these, like I said, from the same company, Full Shine. You can buy them on Amazon. I emailed them and they did have a coupon code right now, and you just use the coupon code Full Shine. I will put that on the screen and in the description box down below. I'll also link these extensions and put the color and all the information about the extensions in the description box if you are curious about them, if you want to try them out. They're really inexpensive, but I think that they work really nicely. I've done a couple vlog clips of me trying out the extensions a couple of different times. This will be the fourth time I'm wearing them, I think. I might have only vlogged once, but I will vlog a couple more times with the hair in. This video is not sponsored at all. They did send these to me to try out, but I'm not making any money off them. I'm gonna still tell you all of my honest opinions if I think they're worth it. I think this set was probably $50, which is really inexpensive, and some people don't have thousands of dollars to spend on fake hair. So I think these are a really good option. I'm just gonna go and show you guys how I put them in. The set they sent me came with 3 different wefts. 2 of them had 4 clips like this, and then one of them is a smaller one with 3 clips. My head is small, so I actually have to use the 3 clip one on the very bottom and then do the 2-4 as I go up. The 2-4 sets of clips. It's so funny. So I'm just gonna show you how I do this. So I get the clips ready. I mean, they're so easy. Literally, you just push them out, and then to clip them, you just push them back. And you can push them against your head. Like, they're just so easy. So the first thing I do is section off my hair. My hair is straightened. The extensions are straightened. Definitely make sure that your straightener isn't up too high, or you can burn the extensions. Make sure whatever styling tool you're using isn't too hot because you don't want to ruin them. But I was able to use my straightener on them just fine with no problems. At about 360 is what I keep my straightener at. So you can go and kind of like back comb. I don't know where my comb is, my daughter took it. But you can back comb right up next to your head so that they stay a little bit better. But I basically just back comb just a little bit like that. And then I take the first set, which is the 3 clipped extensions, and brush them out just like that. They're really soft. They really are. I think they feel nice, and they feel so nice in your hair. They're really not even that bad. So I'm just gonna try to show you. I don't know if I'll actually show you, but I just go and I kind of scoop it and then push it shut. So I kind of scoop, I can't, kind of go up and then down so it hooks. I also have really thin hair, so these 3 little wefts are perfect for my hair. I have really just thin, not cute, it's just really thin. So I only needed this set for all of my hair, and it works perfectly fine. So see how easy that was? That was like 20 seconds. So see how quick and easy that was? And I believe I have the 18-inch extensions. So that was one of the wefts put in. You can see it actually matches my hair pretty nicely. Look at this little frizzy patch of hair right here. Could you calm down? Then I just lay this down, go in, section my hair again to make sure there's a pretty good amount of hair in between each section. Do the same thing, just back comb it. It's not, I mean, my brush doesn't back comb my hair very well. I do use a small toothed comb when I do this usually. But for my first time trying out clip-in extensions, I think this type of extension is definitely for me. It's kind of funny because I thought when I wanted tape-in extensions, I was like, I want something that is in my hair and stays and is the closest to real hair as it can be. Well, it's not. Like, you're putting fake hair into your hair and hoping that it won't feel uncomfortable or anything. It does. You feel them, they're there. It makes your hair a lot heavier, especially when you wash it. You notice how much heavier your hair is. It's just too high maintenance for me. This is definitely something a lot more my style because I don't get ready all the time. I don't go out. I don't like go do things very often. So I'm just gonna go clip these in again. Just like that, see? It's like the easiest installation. I'm really appreciative of that. I love like easy maintenance. That is what I love. So there is the second weft, like that. The color, the darker color goes down way farther, but once I have my hair into it, it doesn't look as line, you know? So then I'm just gonna go in and put that last piece in. There was a little bit of shedding right when I got them, and I brushed them out just like a little bit. There was not that much shedding. And then since then I haven't had really any shedding. And then this one I like to focus a little more over on this side because that's where I have more of my hair and that's what side it's parted on. Also, when you're putting them in, you can back comb and then you can spray a little bit of hairspray and then clip them in if you're like going out for like a crazy night out or something like that and you feel like your hair needs to be very secure, then I would do that. But then you just let down the top layer and hopefully make sure that you can't see any. Just brush this out. And it actually looks so nice. It blended into my hair really nicely. See, look how good that looks. I feel like it looks pretty good. I mean, not bad at all. Really inexpensive. Like I said, like $50 and you can have like way longer hair. Like, that's exciting. So this is my hair with the extensions in. I think it looks really good. Like I said, I've worn these I think 4 times and they're very comfortable. They're very lightweight. They're not too heavy. They don't tug on my hair. They go in and they stay really well. I was lucky enough to pick a color that really blended with my hair. Like I said, I did end up toning my hair to get a little bit more of the brassiness out of it. But I love these. Let me see if I can pull them up on my phone. And like I said, mine was only the 3-piece one, and all of these ones are showing, and you can color these. They are totally safe to color, just like the tape-in extensions that I used. If you haven't seen that video, I will link that one down below if you want to check out that video and that whole journey of me deciding that tape-ins definitely aren't for me. But right here, this is showing 18-inch extensions. You can pick all these different colors, but this is showing for $83. So this comes with 7 pieces. Like I said, mine came with 3 pieces, 3 wefts, and that was it. So I think you get more in these ones. I'm not 100% sure, but if you go to checkout and you enter the coupon code FULLSHINE, I think it's 10% off, or maybe it's just $10 off. Either way, you can save some money if you decide you want to try these out, but I really like these. Like, I was so surprised when I put them in the first time. I was like, okay, first of all, those were easy. They blended into my hair really easily. They were super easy to clip in, super easy to straighten. They feel really nice. They look really nice. I think for $50, you can't really go wrong with this. And like I said, I only have 3 wefts. And that's all that needed to be in my hair. And my hair is thinner, but I think it definitely works. Let me know if you guys have tried the extensions from Full Shine, what you guys think about them, or if you've tried any other brands, random brands from Amazon, from eBay, anything like that, what you think about them, how they worked for you. Okay guys, so this is day 2 of testing out the extensions. This is what they look like. This one kind of looks funky. I might have done the layers a little too close this time. I didn't vlog the first time putting them in. I put them in to go to dinner. But this is what they're looking like. I actually picked colors that matched my hair pretty good. I did end up toning my hair to take out a lot of the brassiness. See, I feel like I should have went a little bit higher with this third set. If I would have went a little bit higher, I think they would have blended a little bit more. The first time I put them in like perfectly and they looked super good. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bells so that you don't miss any new videos. I upload 3 every week. I did film a couple videos with this makeup on, so if you want to see those, I will link them down below. Like I said, I will link all of the information, the coupon code, I will link the extensions down below. I'll let you guys know what color I have and everything like that. All of that will be in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.